Hey everyone, welcome to KT's Techno Teach, and I'm incredibly excited to introduce you to Deepseek, an amazing new tool that's going to revolutionize how we learn. Deepseek leverages the power of artificial intelligence to create a personalized learning experience accessible anytime, anywhere. It's like having a tutor in your pocket, always ready to answer questions, provide explanations, and help you master any subject. In this video, we'll explore the top features that make Deepseek a game changer for students and educators alike. Whether you're a student struggling with algebra, a teacher looking for innovative ways to engage your students, or simply someone with a thirst for knowledge, Deepseek has something incredible to offer you. Let's face it, we've all been there, staring at a textbook, completely stumped by a problem, wishing we had someone to guide us. With Deepseek, that help is just a click away. Imagine this, you're working on a math problem and you just can't seem to grasp the concept of quadratic equations. You open Deepseek, type in your question, and boom, instant answers and clear, concise explanations. But Deepseek doesn't just give you the answer, it breaks down complex topics into bite-sized pieces, making it easier to understand even the most challenging concepts. From ancient civilizations to the intricacies of the human cell, Deepseek provides a vast repository of knowledge, readily available to quench your thirst for learning. Now, we all know that everyone learns differently. Deepseek recognizes this and tailors the learning experience to your unique needs and preferences. Imagine this. Deepseek analyzes your learning patterns, identifies your strengths and areas for improvement, and then curates a personalized learning path just for you. Deepseek doesn't just repeat the same explanation, it provides alternative explanations and examples, ensuring you fully grasp the material. With Deepseek, learning becomes an engaging and personalized journey, empowering you to learn at your own pace and reach your full potential. We've all been there, staring at a blank page, dreading the thought of tackling a mountain of homework or starting a research project. Deepseek is here to make those late-night study sessions a little less daunting. Imagine this. You're writing a history paper on the American Revolution. Deepseek can help you find credible sources from academic journals to historical documents, ensuring your research is top-notch. Deepseek can even help you structure your paper, providing outlines and templates to keep your thoughts organized and your arguments clear. With Deepseek, homework and research become less about tedious tasks and more about exploration and discovery. Now let's talk about how Deepseek can be a game changer for all the amazing educators out there. Deepseek can help you create engaging lesson plans, suggest interactive activities, and even generate practice problems tailored to your students' learning levels. Deepseek can be a valuable tool for assessing student understanding, create customized quizzes and assessments to gauge comprehension, and identify areas where students need additional support. By analyzing their performance data, Deepseek can suggest differentiated instruction strategies and provide tailored resources to meet their individual needs. With Deepseek, teachers can reclaim valuable time and focus on what they do best, inspiring a love of learning in their students. One of the biggest challenges with traditional tutoring is scheduling. Deepseek changes the game by being available anytime, anywhere, whenever you need it. Imagine this. It's 11 p.m. and you're working on a last-minute assignment. You're stuck on a problem and panic starts to set in. But then you remember Deepseek. You open the app, type in your question, and within seconds, you have the answer and explanation you need. Deepseek breaks down the barriers of traditional learning, making education accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a desire to learn. We live in an interconnected world, a world where learning should know no boundaries. Deepseek embraces this vision by offering multilingual support, making it a powerful tool for students and educators around the globe. Imagine this. You're a student in Japan, struggling to understand a complex physics concept explained in English. With Deepseek, you can simply translate the problem into your native language, get the explanation you need, and then dive deeper into the subject with newfound clarity. This multilingual capability not only fosters inclusivity but also opens doors to a world of knowledge and perspectives. Deepseek is more than just an educational tool, it's a bridge connecting learners across the globe, fostering a love of learning that transcends language and geographical boundaries. Imagine having all these features at your fingertips. Deepseek isn't just a tool, it's a learning revolution. It's designed to make education more engaging, efficient, and accessible for everyone. Whether you're preparing for exams, teaching a class, or just curious about the world, Deepseek is here to help. Ready to revolutionize your learning experience? Try Deepseek today. Click the link in the description to learn more and get started. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep watching KT's Techno Teach. Thank you.